Remember this. The only person that cares about your hopes and dreams is you. The only person that is going to make them happen is you. You have three choices in life. You can watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what the hell happened.
You got it. I'm right here, baby. You got it.
Be a good person, but don't waste your time proving it. Stay strong. Even when things begin to fall apart, stay strong. If you want to be trusted, be honest. You're being judged no matter what. So be who you want to be. Forget what hurts you, but never forget what it taught you.
Good job, baby.
When you are angry, stay silent. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagree. Even the nicest people have their goals.
Beautiful.
Control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. Don't make a permanent decision based on temporary emotions. Everything is hard before it is easy. You must find your dream, no matter how old you will be.